Well, have you heard the name Phenotex Chemical? Well, this is a chemical sector stock and this is very promising. Why is that? I'm going to show you in this video where I'm going to do the full analysis of this stock from the fundamentals to the price action, and by the end of this video you'll be clear if you can consider this stock for investment or not. But please remember that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video where I want to make you aware of stocks. Okay, so with that said, let's get started. All right, so this is Phenotex Chemicals, and let's quickly jump into some of the basic and important numbers for this company. Okay, so we can see that the current market price is 392 with a market cap of 4,350 crore. It has a very good reserves of 424 crore and very small debt of just 5 crore. That's why debt equity ratio is very good. 3 years average sales growth 37.54, very good. In fact, highest in this industry. Profit growth 3 years average 41.17%. This is also the highest in this industry, almost highest. Okay, except India is close. Okay, 3 years average earning per share growth is also 41.61. Return on asset 3 years average 22.40, excellent number. Return on capital employed 3 years average 35.12, very good number. Again, this is also the highest in this industry. Interest coverage ratio 119.47, excellent number. Current ratio 3.20, this is also excellent. Operating profit margin 26, this is also the highest in this industry. Okay, the numbers are looking just fantastic. Okay, promoter holding 64.46%, which is very good. Altman Z score 16.28. Okay, this is also a very good number. So the basic numbers are not only good, I would say they are excellent. Okay, now let's come to the year on year sales and profit growth. Okay, so if we compare the last 3 years average sales growth, we are clearly seeing an increase in sales from 368 crores to 517, then 569. Operating profit growth 71 to 113, then 148, and operating profit margin has also is also showing some good growth, 19% to 22%, then 26%. Okay, very good increase in operating profit margin as well. And if I check the earning per share growth also, that also we are getting to see 4.98 means almost 5. It went up to 7.97, which is also almost 8. Then it went up further to 10.82. So clear sign of growth in all three sections: so sales, operating profit, and operating profit margin, and also the earning per share as well. Okay, now if we come to shareholding pattern, here we are getting to see some interesting numbers. Okay, and we are going to compare the last 2 quarters. Okay, so if we see, the promoters have done little bit of profit booking, 0.5% decrease in stake by promoters, 0.5% decrease in stake by FIs, and DI stake is almost same. Okay, so I would say the shareholding pattern is pretty much stable. We are not getting to see a major increase or decrease in any number, okay, by anyone, so we can call it stable. So fundamentally the stock is good. Okay, now we are going to see the price action. So let's check the price action. So this is Phenotex Chemicals and this is the weekly time frame. And first of all, I'd like to highlight few things. Okay, if you focus on this area, okay, you can see the stock gave a breakout here, strong breakout, but it again failed and came down. Okay, but the good thing is that it came down and rested upon a very good place, and that is exactly at the 40 weeks moving average. And you can see as soon as it came closer to 40 weeks moving average, you can see it started showing strength. Okay, and now if I enable the momentum indicators in weekly, we can see that after failing this attempt, this breakout attempt, which I just showed here, okay, you can see the RSI level came down below the moving average, the black line. Okay, and after that it stayed below it. Okay, it could not break above the line, but finally recently only it gave a break above the moving average, which is also above the 50 level. You can see currently it is trading at 56 level, almost 56 level. So this is a clear indication that the base has become stable. Okay, this is a clear indication. Now we are going to get a better picture if we switch to daily time frame. So I'm switching to daily time frame, and in the daily time frame I can clearly see that I can draw one trend line here. Okay, if I use these points, I can clearly draw one trend line, and the trend line has been broken with a gap up. You can see this is the gap up. Let me highlight. This is the gap up, and our duty now is to check the volume during this gap out. Okay, if it has strong volume or not. So if I enable the volume, I can see the breakout candle has a very good volume. You can see the volume bar, the big volume bar. Okay, for this breakout candle. So clearly this is also another additional confirmation that yes, the stock has given a real breakout, not a fake one. Okay, many times they give fake breakout, this is the real one. Okay, and along with that I would like to get confirmation from some more indicators. Let us use super trend indicator. So let me just take you to weekly time frame once again and use the super trend indicator. And when I do that, I can clearly see that the stock is actually resting above the super trend indicator. It never turned into red. Okay, it stayed above it, clearly showing the strength of the stock. Okay, in higher time frames. Now same we are going to do with the daily time frame. So here I am in the daily time frame and you can clearly see one break. Okay, the red super trend has now turned green. Okay, it is starting to show strength here, and also I just showed you how strong the volume is near this place. Okay, now we got some more additional confirmation. Okay, along with that we are going to check the 50 days EMA. I already showed you the 40 weeks moving average in weekly time frame, which is the same as 200 days moving average. Let me enable it again. Here it is. Okay, and if I enable 50 days moving average, and you can clearly see the 50 days moving average has also turned in the upward direction. Okay, and the stock is staying above it. Okay, now the question is, should you make an entry at this point? I would say yes, this is a good time to make an entry because the stock is starting to show strength. Okay, all the technical analysis, price action analysis clearly pointing out that the stock is actually trying to start a new rally. And also I showed you that the fundamentals of the stock are excellent, not only good, they are excellent. Okay, so should you invest in the stock? Well, I would say it is completely up to you, but the facts that the the probability of this going up is is looking like it's a good, there's a good probability that the stock could start a rally soon, but it might not start immediately because the breakout you can see does not have strong green candles like we normally get to see. So what I expect the stock to do is it might show some price action like this and then give a breakout. So you can consider that this 400 could be the resistance, nearest resistance. After if it breaks that level with a strong volume big candlestick, then it is going to start a rally because it already has the support of the 50 days EMA. Okay, and it could provide support during the breakout over 400 as well. Okay, this is the overall scenario for Finotex Chemicals. Now the question is, can you consider investing? So if you are a long-term investor or a positional trader, then I would say this is a good time to make entry in this stock, but please do the full analysis yourself. Do not rely simply on my analysis for your investment. Please do your own analysis. This is your money, so the analysis should also be done by you. Okay, and that is all about Finotex Chemicals. The key, the bottom line is it's a very good stock and it is starting to show strength, so the rally could be starting soon. So make your decisions wisely. That's all for this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already, and if you are already a subscriber, consider joining the Financial Impulse community where you will get more stock analysis, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord. And also do not forget to check my other channel, Financial Affairs. You will find the link in the description section. You'll see the analysis in Hindi there. The content there is different from what I post here, so make sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.